Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a simple animated GIF in the Wick editor. I already prepared 3 graphic assets in Affinity Designer earlier. I will just import them to my asset library. So click the upload icon on the right side and select your desired assets. For me, I got pot, plant and flower. I export them as PNG without background. Okay, they're already in the Wick editor. Just drag them from the asset library to your frame. I will rename this layer. Now I need to change the setting of my project. Here we can change the color of background, frame rate and size. Click apply before you close this window. Okay, here's our pot. I changed background to light green already. Now I need to position my pot in the middle. And I think I'm going to create a small shadow under the pot. I will use the built-in tool to make an oval shape. Black color will be perfect. I just need to reduce opacity of my fill. Much better. Shadow should be below the object. I will need to change the order here. Send to the front. Okay, a little bit too big. Almost there. Here it is. Now we can add one more layer. I will drag my next graphic here. Plan. Both layers contain only one frame. I will need to extend that frame on both layers. The layer with the pot and the layer with plan. Now the most important part. I will use tween. I will add tween to this layer with the plant and one more tween point. We need at least 2 points. Can you see the arrow between points? It means everything in between points will be animated for you by the software. So we just need to adjust the first position and the program will try to make all changes to reshape the graphic to our second tween. Okay, let's check it out. As you can see, it's working nicely. We can also add easing to it to speed up or slow down certain part of animation. Now I think the out would be better here. So easy out. It's like faster first and then slowing down. Okay, nice. Okay, I'm ready for third layer. And here I'm going to use the same graphic asset second time, plant. I'm going to use the very similar method here. I will add 2 tween points and resize my graphic in between them. Okay, now I'm ready for my last layer. I will create new layer, rename it, and now I can insert my last asset, flower. Just drag and drop, and again, very similar process. I will create twin for it. Then I will adjust the size of one end.